Hello guys, good morning. This is morning view of my village as I went for a morning walk and I got this beautiful morning view. And these are the stream flow where this water comes from glaciers and glaciers melt and water comes out from there. As I have told you guys that I'm gonna share you guys some of Ladakhi food. So in breakfast we are making this Ladakhi bread which is called Tai Khambir. Tai is bread and Khambir is a name of this bread. So here I'm having this breakfast and you can have this bread with omelette or curd or anything you want. So right now I'm having this omelette and curd, and also I'm having this namkeen chai which is called Ladakhi Kurkur chai, and that's it. So we have started potato harvesting, and this is a traditional method of ploughing field with the help of zoo, and the name of this animal is called zoo, which is mainly found in mountain region. And that's it. I'm making lunch, and in lunch I'm making skew, which is Ladakhi traditional food. The recipe of this skew is so simple. You have to add some mixed vegetable in it. So here I'm adding some potato, carrot and broccoli. You can add other vegetable if you want. So leave it for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, and after that you have to cut this wheat flour into small pieces, and then after done with this you can also add this into that mixed vegetable and leave it for 30 minutes, and then your skew is ready. So here I'm having my lunch skew and it tastes so yummy, and also this is so healthy. You can try if you really want to have this Ladakhi dish. And then I will show you guys a very famous Ladakhi wild fruit, that is sea buckthorn, and there are so many uses of this sea buckthorn. It is used to make a medicine, fruit juice and jelly and so many others. So must try this sea buckthorn.